how to buy Degen AI, the Degen Spartan AI token. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert, so before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now before going and buy this token, make sure to check the Rex account and keep following their updates about this token. Now this token, as you can see, it's available on CoinMarketCap. Now to be able to buy it, just go and copy this token address from here. And remember, this token is came under the Solana network. Now open your wallet from here, for example, Phantom Wallets. Now click on swap here. And after that, make sure you have enough Solana on your wallet. Now after that, click on here and paste the token address. And as you can see, this is our token. Just click on it. And after that, it's simple. Just type how much you want to buy. And as you can see, this is how much you receive. Now here, select the provider, for example, Jupiter. And make sure to read all of that information here. And after that, click on swap. And you will be redirected to Jupiter provider page to complete the buy process. If you find any issues, just go back to this page, click here and switch the slippage or custom it. And after that, you will be able to buy this token without any issue. So this is how to buy the DegenAI AI or Degen AI token. If you find this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.